As a urologist, with years of experience treating men over 40, I want to share something very simple yet often overlooked. One specific vitamin, when taken at night, can support 3 critical areas of men's health: erection strength, daily energy, and deep restorative sleep. Many men believe erectile problems are only about age. That's not true. In my clinical practice, I often see deficiencies quietly affecting blood flow, nerve signaling, hormone balance, and sleep quality. When sleep is poor, testosterone drops. When testosterone drops, erections weaken. Everything is connected. This particular nighttime vitamin works with your body's natural rhythm. While you sleep, your nervous system relaxes, blood vessels recover, and hormones are regulated. Supporting your body at this time can help improve morning energy, circulation, and confidence over time. I want to be very clear, this is not a magic pill, and it does not replace medical treatment. However, when used correctly, combined with healthy habits like hydration, movement, and reduced stress, it can support overall male wellness naturally. Important reminder to all my viewers: always consult your doctor before starting any new supplement, especially if you have medical conditions or take medications. Take care of your body. Strong health leads to strong confidence, at any age. Before we dive in, let me quickly ask you to support this channel. Give this video a like, drop a comment below, telling me where you are watching from, and hit that subscribe button so you never miss my latest men's health updates. Let's get started. Firstly, let's see why many men struggle with erections, energy, and sleep. As a urologist, I want men to understand that erection problems, low energy, and poor sleep rarely happen in isolation. These issues are usually connected. As men age, blood circulation naturally slows, stress levels rise, and hormone balance begins to shift. When sleep quality suffers, the body cannot repair itself properly. Testosterone production declines, nerves become less responsive, and energy levels drop during the day. Another common factor I see is nutritional deficiency. Even men who eat well may lack key nutrients that support blood vessel function and nervous system health. Add long working hours, mental stress, and reduced physical activity, and the body struggles to perform at its best. This is not a sign of weakness or failure. It is the body asking for better care. With the right guidance, lifestyle habits, and medical awareness, many men can support their overall health and regain confidence safely and naturally. Now in this section I will explain the nighttime body reset most men ignore. I often tell my patients that nighttime is when the body truly heals. While you sleep, your nervous system shifts into a repair mode, blood vessels relax, and hormone regulation takes place. This process is essential for male health, yet many men unknowingly disrupt it with late meals, stress, poor sleep habits, or incorrect supplement timing. Deep sleep supports testosterone balance, circulation, and nerve recovery, all of which directly affect erections and daily energy. When sleep is shallow or inconsistent, the body cannot complete this natural reset. Over time, men begin to notice fatigue, weaker performance, and reduced confidence. The goal is not perfection, but consistency. Supporting your body at night with proper rest, calm routines, and correct nutritional support allows these natural repair systems to work more effectively. Small changes made before bedtime can lead to meaningful improvements in overall wellness. Now let's move on to our main topic, the vitamin that supports blood flow and relaxation. In my experience as a urologist, one vitamin that consistently supports relaxation and healthy blood flow is vitamin D. While many men associate vitamin D only with bones, it also plays an important role in blood vessel function, muscle relaxation, and hormonal balance. Adequate vitamin D levels help blood vessels respond properly, supporting smoother circulation throughout the body. Vitamin D also influences the nervous system and sleep regulation. Men with low levels often report fatigue, restless sleep, and reduced overall vitality. Since vitamin D supports testosterone balance and immune health, deficiencies can quietly affect energy and confidence over time. This vitamin does not act instantly and is not a replacement for medical treatment. It works gradually by supporting normal body function. When taken responsibly and combined with healthy sleep habits, sunlight exposure, and proper nutrition, vitamin D can contribute to better relaxation, improved nighttime recovery, and long-term male wellness. Now in this section, I will discuss connection between deep sleep and stronger morning energy. As a urologist, I see a strong connection between deep sleep and how men feel when they wake up. Deep sleep is the phase where the body restores energy, balances hormones, and repairs blood vessels. When this stage of sleep is healthy, men often wake with better alertness, improved mood, and a stronger sense of vitality. During the night, stress hormones reduce and testosterone production is supported. This hormonal balance plays a key role in morning energy and physical readiness. Poor or interrupted sleep prevents this natural process, leaving men feeling tired, unfocused, and drained despite spending enough time in bed. Deep sleep also allows the heart and blood vessels to relax, supporting healthy circulation. This overnight recovery prepares the body for the demands of the day ahead. Improving sleep quality through calm routines, reduced screen exposure, and consistent sleep timing can make a noticeable difference in morning energy and overall well-being. Now I will explain who can benefit most from nighttime supplementation. In my clinical experience, nighttime supplementation may be especially helpful for men who feel tired despite adequate sleep, wake up unrested, or notice a gradual decline in energy and performance. Men over 40 often benefit the most, as natural hormone levels, circulation, and sleep quality tend to change with age. This approach can also support men who live under constant stress, work long hours, or struggle to relax at night. Stress keeps the nervous system overactive, making it difficult for the body to enter deep, restorative sleep. Supporting the body during nighttime recovery may help improve overall balance. Men with poor dietary intake or inconsistent meal patterns may also benefit, as nutrient gaps can affect blood flow, nerve health, and sleep regulation. However, supplementation is not for everyone. Those with medical conditions or taking regular medications should always consult a healthcare professional first. The goal is safe, supportive care, not shortcuts. Now let's see common mistakes men make with supplements. One of the most common mistakes I see men make with supplements is expecting instant results. Supplements are designed to support normal body function, not to act like medications. When men take them inconsistently, or for only a few days, they often assume they don't work and stop too soon. Another mistake is poor timing. Taking certain nutrients at the wrong time of day can interfere with sleep or reduce their effectiveness. Nighttime support should focus on relaxation and recovery, not stimulation. Overuse is also a concern. More is not better, and excessive intake can place unnecessary strain on the body. Many men also ignore lifestyle factors. Supplements cannot compensate for poor sleep habits, chronic stress, dehydration, or lack of physical activity. Finally, some men self-prescribe without considering existing medical conditions or medications. Safe supplementation always begins with understanding your body and seeking proper medical advice when needed. So there you have it, viewers. Dr. Anglina da Costa, signing off this video. My final advice to men is simple: focus on long-term health, not quick fixes. Your body responds best to consistency. Quality sleep, balanced nutrition, regular movement, and stress management form the foundation of male wellness at every age. Supplements can be helpful, but only when used responsibly and as part of a broader healthy routine. Listen to your body. Fatigue, poor sleep, and reduced confidence are not signs of failure, they are signals that something needs attention. Avoid comparing yourself to others or chasing unrealistic promises. Every man's health journey is different. If symptoms persist, seek professional medical guidance rather than self-treatment. With patience, awareness, and proper care, it is possible to support energy, confidence, and overall well-being well into later years. Strong health begins with informed choices. Thank you for joining me. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more natural health tips designed especially for seniors. Thanks for watching.